Okay, so we're back. Ah! Oh, this beat on. You know, forget it. Just forget it. Okay, so guys, I know it's a short video, because this is part 2, but I'll be right back. Okay, so, yeah, so, this was part 2 of the original video, but it got too long, so, hope you guys enjoyed the rest of it, and I tried to, I'm speaking for both videos. Hit that like button and subscribe, please. I'm not trying to be one of those YouTubers who just like want the views. Like, literally, you guys mean everything to YouTube. Without you guys, YouTube wouldn't really be a thing. It'd be a thing, but it'd rarely be popular. So, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!